Hello, this is Ronnie. How y'all doing? Old-timey gospel acoustic lessons. And I did a cover song by the Whites called Keep on the Sunny Side. And Lynn requested that I do a tutorial for that song. So I will go ahead and show you the first verse and the chorus and do the little solo and show you how I do the solo and see if you all can do it, and if you guys figure it out and do it well, let me know in the comments below, okay? Thank you. There's a dark and a troubled side of life. There's a bright and a sunny side too. Though we meet in the darkness and strife, the sunny side we also make. Keep on the sunny side, always on the sunny side. Keep on the sunny side of life. It will help us every day and brighten all the way. We keep on the sunny side of life. We keep on the sunny side of life. Okay, you probably saw that I was switching fast between the C, the F. I did the F like this, you know, where I put two notes up here, kind of like the G. But move it down one, and then the regular F parts here bar the first two, three, and these two up here. And then the C, regular C, 2, 4, and 5, and then there's a G7, 1, 5, and 6. Makes you want to go back to the C. There's a little tension there. So anyway, there's the you start out C, in the key of C. Let me get this down here a little bit so we can really see how I'm strumming. There's the dark and the troubled side of life. I was in C, I went to F, back to C. There's a bright and a sunny side too. I'm in G7. Though we go to F and back to C, I hammered on there. The sunny side we also made you. G7 back to C. Keep on the sunny side, always on. I'm in F, sunny side, back to C. Keep on the sunny side of life. G7. It will help us every day. And F all the way back to C. Keep on the G7 back to C. Keep on the G7 back to C. So anyway, let's go through the intro solo. And it really ain't too hard, but I've got to make sure that I get back here and show you exactly what I'm doing right here with the guitar. I think I've got it all in there right now. Get scooched around here. The first lick is. Let's learn that first lick. And it's into C chord, so I'm starting up here on this note. Open D. See that? Open, hammer on, second fret. So C, open, strum, strum, and then open, 3, 2, open, 2, 3, open, 3, open, 3, 2, 3. There's that leg now. You do it a little fast, that's the reason it's hard for me to explain it. Hard for me to slow down and do it, but that's it. And then you go, you got your fingers on the C chord, so you go 5/4, and then you go down here to this G string. Let's see, hold on. Okay, there's two little licks there. So it's 5/4 through. It's 5/4 3. And hammer on 3. Open. Hammer on the 4th. And then open. Do it again, hammer on again. And then I hang out here on that D string, hammering on. Open. Hammer again. Open. 3rd string, C note. Back to this. To the C chord, and then I go so it's 5th string, open, open, 4th, and then back to 5th. 2nd, open, back again, 2, 3. And then I do this little C lick at the end. When I get back here, that starts the C lick. Hammer on to the 2nd fret of the D and the 3rd string, hammer on. And then this note, the C note. So, other than the strumming, okay, hope that does you. The strumming really ain't much more than hitting a bass note. That's about the way I do a lot of my songs. Also stick that in there when you get done. All right, this is Ronnie from Old Timey Gospel Acoustic Lessons. Thanks for the request, Lynn, to do the tutorial for Keep on the Sunny Side. Hope that helps you out, and hope you can go back and see what I was doing. And for the new people, I do lessons like this all the time. Stick with us, like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate it. Thanks. God bless.